Okay, y'all. So I'm in here experimenting again, and I'm actually looking for like trying to make like a camping dessert. But anyway, so this was a baked apple. I cored it, and put like a crisp filling, which is rolled oats, just a little bit of flour, cinnamon, vanilla, brown sugar, a little white sugar, and then kind of crumble it up with butter. Put it in the stove for about 20 minutes on 400. So we're gonna see, y'all gotta let it cool. We're gonna see what it tastes like when it gets a little cooler. All right, so let's see what this apple dessert is looking like. So they'll let you know the apple's nice and soft. So I'm gonna put it over there. And you probably could eat it just with a spoon or fork, but I'm gonna cut it in half so we'll see what it looks like. So there it is with all the, oh, that looks good. All right, so I'm gonna taste it. So I'm gonna cut my little piece. Let's see, hold on, sorry. And let's see what we're working with here. Here's a little bit. Taste that. Okay. Because what I was trying to do, find a camping dessert that I could actually wrap these in foil and put them over a fire. Oh, this is really good. In fact, my son is home. I might ask him to come and test it for me. Yep, it's just the baked apple with the little crisp. And it is pretty good.